Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we use blue color and the next one is red color. Kids, now we use yellow color and the next one is green color. Green color, black color, black color, and the last one is yellow ochre color. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Blue color. First we draw the letter of A and now we use blue color. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. We again use blue color and now we draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. Now we draw C. C for cow. Now we draw D. D for doll. Kids, the next one is E and now we use red color. Red color, red color. Now we draw the letter of E. The next one is F. Now we draw F. We again use red color. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for goat. The next one is H and now we use yellow color. Yellow color. H for hand. The next one is I. I for ice cream. Now we draw J. J for jackfruit. Kids, now we use black color. Black color. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to L. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.